So for the first pattern that we worked on, for the illusion kind of going on opposite direction, and a 1, 2, bring her to the right, reach completely to the right side, respect her space, and the motion in circle, and then we could do half a circle, a full circle. This is going to be you choosing if you want to do 6 count, 8 count, or 10 counts. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, restart. Okay? Facing you, so you have 3 angles. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, I wanted to rotate more. Sounds good? Now, drills. For resistance, I'm going to start with my elbows back. She's going to walk away. I'm going to resist and not tense my body. I'm going to do the same thing. She's going to resist, and at that moment where she feels that she can move forward. So drills, I start again. She goes, I resist with my back, and I diffuse the energy. She goes, she diffuses the energy as she feels that she can walk forward, so she can protect herself from someone pulling her too strong. Yes? And we did the high five technique, which is a drill. Doing 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 5, and a high five. Again, it's just not to do this with the arm. It's just to make you not fall into the back step. To control 6 and a 1, 2 with that slight position between my partner and myself. To do the difference between this 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 5, and a 6, and we move together on that one a little bit too quick, or the followers are usually pulled a little bit too quick from me. Sounds good? Is that enough? Yes? Thank you guys so much. Really appreciate it. Miss Maxence, this is my wife Amy, and we'll see you guys if you're traveling back in TAP this year. Yes!